In this video, we'll make a Christmas tree and in the process learn about solids and some fusion tools. Click on the green plus sign to start sketching. Click on the horizontal plane and then click on the circle. I'm going to start it at the origin and then make it 150 millimeters. Click Finish Sketch. Right-click, choose Press Pull, pull it up, and then with this handle, taper the top, and then click OK. Now we'll copy this twice. Select it through the browser, and I say this because if you just select it by clicking on it, you may not select all of it like the bottom, and then the Move Copy tool won't work. So we'll select it here, and then right-click, Move Copy, click on Create Copy, and then move the copy off the original. And then do it again. Now I'll scale two of these. Select it, click on Modify, Scale, and then I'll type 0.75. Do the same thing here. Select, Modify, Scale, 0.5. Now I'll align this and this with this. So click on Modify, Align, click on the snap. Make sure the snap is oriented like that on the larger cone. And you can see they've aligned. Let's do that again. Modify, Align, click, click. Now I need to move these two down. Select, right-click, Move Copy, move it down. Let's hold the Shift key down to select both of these. Right-click, Move Copy, and move them down. Now we need a trunk. Click on the sketch symbol. Click here. Click on the circle. Click on the origin. Click again for the diameter. Finish sketch. Then press Pull it. We need a pot to put this in. So click on Sketch. Click on the bottom of the trunk, click Circle, click on the origin, click a diameter, and finish. Then select the outer ring and hold the Shift key down to select the inner ring also. Right-click, press Pull, taper using the handle, and that's the tree. If you think the pot is a little too high, then you can select it and press pull it in a bit. Let's export this as an STL now. Right-click on the root, which is the title of the file. Go to Save as Mesh, and we have options of 3MF or STL binary, which is my favorite because it makes a small file. I can choose to send this to a print utility or just to the desktop if I didn't click Send To. So I'm going to send this to Meshmixer, and here it is. I'm going to turn off the printer bed, and I'm going to hit the T key on the keyboard so that I can orient this. Make sure you're on this outer ring so that you can get whole degree measurements. Click on Analysis, and there are a lot of analysis tools here, such as Inspector to see if there are defaults. Stability, the green tells you that this will stand up straight, it won't wobble. What I want is orientation, and Meshmixer will tell me the best orientation for 3D printing. I'll accept that. Click on Overhangs and Generate Support. And Meshmixer will generate tree supports. I like them because they're typically less heavy and numerous than the ones that slicers generate. Click Done. Click Export. And I've just exported this as an STL with tree supports that I can now bring into a slicer.